What's going on, stackers? So in this video we're going to be taking a look at 4 legit ways that you could be making money online right now from home. Now, my name is Paddy and welcome to StackinProfit. Over here we give you the tools and resources to learn, grow and master passive income streams so that you could live a life of freedom. Now, today's video is sponsored by the LCB Vault. This is our own online education program teaching you everything that you need to know about low content book publishing. So be sure to check out that link down in the description below. So the first legit way that you could be making money online is selling low and no content books. Now, I'm about to get into what that exactly is in a second, but this is my account and this is how much I've made selling these types of books through Amazon. I do actually have quite a lot that I have made, 3,500, but I'm coming close to making $50,000 in royalties from selling these books. Now, these books are all done through Amazon KDP. It's one of Amazon's platforms. We create the book, which is really easy to do, and then we list it through KDP. It goes live on Amazon, and then when it sells, Amazon's going to print that book on demand, ship it to your customer, and then just send you royalties. So this is my royalties from creating these types of books. Now, if you want more information on creating these types of books, then I'll link a playlist right there right now in the right hand corner so you can go through and learn more about this business, because this is one of the main businesses that I do online to make passive income. Now, if we go over to Amazon, I'll show you what one of these books actually looks like. So all I've typed in is notebook, because that's what I like to sell, notebooks and journals. Let's go past that one. Let's go past that one. Let's have a look at this. So this is just a standard notebook. It's selling for $4.99. So there's probably about a $1 profit on this. All they've done is they've created the cover. Then they've created the interior, which is just going to be a lined journal. So if we take a look, so this would be really easy to create. It just says notebook on the front. Now, if we take that and look inside, so let's zoom out and then go here, we can see it's just a lined notebook. So this is one of my favorite ways to make money online, and that's creating these types of books, notebooks, journals. We can create lots of different puzzle books as well. There's a whole range of different books that you can actually sell on Amazon, and Amazon's going to take care of everything for you. But that's the first legit way, selling low and no content books. Now, the second way to make money online from home, or a legit way, is affiliate marketing. Now, I don't know why that's gone like that, so let's just let that load up for a second. With affiliate marketing, there's a gazillion different products out there. Okay, so for some reason this isn't loading, I'm just going to pause the video. There we go. So as I was saying, there's like a gazillion different products out there that you can be an affiliate for. Now, this little business ties into the second one, which I'm going to talk about in a minute as well. But with selling other people's products, you don't have to create anything, you don't have to send anything. You literally just send traffic to an offer, and then if it converts for you, you make a commission. So this is one of my favourite products to promote at the minute. That is Creative Fabrica. So let's just go to the front page of this so you can see. Now, with Creative Fabrica, this is where I get a lot of my fonts and a lot of my graphics to create my low and no content books. So because I actually use this platform as well, I actually recommend it as an affiliate. Now, they do have small commissions. I think it's around 20 or 25% you make on each sale, and some of these graphics are only a couple of dollars. So these are really small commissions, but they can add up over time. So if we go over to my affiliate board, I've referred 777 people with a conversion rate of 34%. That literally means for every 100 people that I sell or send over to the platform, 34 people actually convert and buy something. So we can see here with this little affiliate count, almost $1,500 just recommending fonts, graphics, and this website because I use it myself. Now, that's just another income stream that I have. So that's my low content books, then my affiliate marketing commissions as well. And I have a few different platforms that I recommend. I recommend this Creative Fabrica because I use it every day. Then I recommend CANVA Pro because I use that every day as well. And then I also recommend softwares and courses that are on Warrior Plus, which are in line with my following. So on here, I've actually withdrawn now, which I've probably made over $3,000 as well. Not a lot, same with Creative Fabrica, but these little commissions and everything soon adds up over time. So that's the second legit way that you could start making money. That is affiliate marketing. Really, really simple. Now, the third, is it the third? 1, 2, 3, yes. So we're on the third. The third is starting a YouTube channel. So you could start a YouTube channel in any niche that you want. And the good thing about the YouTube or the YouTube platform, when you have got videos uploaded and you've reached your 1,000 hours watch time and 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time, I think that's right, then you can apply to be monetized and then you can get ad revenue. So my ad revenue is quite small. I only have 10,000 subscribers. If we go to last month or 2019, let's take a look like this. I don't make much in YouTube ad revenue, but it does add up. So last year I made 2,200, and then this year so far it's not even come close to that. I think it's over 1,000, £1,500 just this year alone. So not amazing by any means, but hey, it's still free money just for uploading content. Now, YouTube, building a following, is one of the best things that you can do moving forward. Now, remember, you can do this in any single niche, but it does really, really help trying to do affiliate marketing and selling your own courses, which we're going to get to in a minute, if you have your own following. So even though I've made 1,400 this year just in ad revenue, my affiliate commissions are quite a lot as well and add into that because I send my traffic from my YouTube channel over to affiliate offers as well, and that's how I make these affiliate commissions. And because I have a YouTube channel and I've built up a following to over 10,000 people, I've also got online educational courses teaching people what I actually do with low and no content book publishing. So if you want to check any of those courses out, there's always a link down below so you can go through and check it out. But with selling online digital courses, I've actually made over $67,000 since started selling online courses. And that's coming up to 2 years ago now since I started my first online course, or almost 2 years. Now, the good thing about selling digital courses and doing affiliate marketing is it doesn't matter how many subscribers you have on YouTube. So with affiliate marketing, I started doing that as soon as I had my channel, and as soon as I reached 1,000 subscribers and people were actually asking for an online course about low content book publishing, that is when I decided to actually create a course and share my knowledge. So anybody can do this. You can build a channel in any niche, you can find affiliate offers in any niche, and you can build an online digital course in any niche as well. So that's 4 legit ways that you could be making money online right now from home. But remember, these 3, the online digital courses and affiliate marketing, along with the YouTube channel, all tie in together. And then as your YouTube channel grows, so does your course income and your affiliate commissions as well. But if you don't want to do any types of those businesses, then go and try out low content book publishing, because you haven't got to build a following, you haven't got to do any of that. It's really, really simple to understand. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.